So let's see, we'll just revise and we'll go forward. Okay. So before starting the class, thought for the days: if everything was perfect, you would never learn and you would never grow. So don't think that the thing which you are studying or thing which you are doing is perfect. Your preparation is perfect. The preparation or the hard work you are giving in is perfect. So if everything was perfect, just sabu perfect heijibo, so nothing sabu heigala na, we will, there is no chance of learning, there is no chance to grow. Something you just think that no, I am not at all perfect, mu abhi jaye perfectly ready nahi moro board exam re basiba pai. Jebe semti bhabibo, there will, you will come across in many things which you need to learn more. Fine, I hope you like this thought. Apply this in your daily life. Okay, fine. So we'll just revise from sign conventions of lenses. Okay, मन अच्छी sign convention ना नाई मन भूली गलानी.
Yes, ma'am, Manoj.
मन अच्छी शांतनुर मन थिबो मु जानिची. Okay, still मु आउथरे रिवाइज कर देबी. So sign convention, suppose this is a mirror. Mirror को जाओ, mirror और lens, एटा mirror थिला नाइ. Mirror रो front रे जत्ते सबो जिंस आसीबो that is negative. तार back रे positive. ता ऊपरे कौन हबो? Positive. ता तळे negative. Fine. So it is suppose concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, concave mirror of front, if I front it is negative, blue color it is back, it is positive, upare it is positive, tale it is negative. Okay. Same for lenses, for convex lens and for concave lens, same thing. Okay, so for convex lens, focal length is always positive. Now, who can say me why for convex lens, focal length is always positive, but for concave length, the focal length is always negative? Why?
Because they are converging and diverging lenses, therefore.
Anybody else?
Ma'am, because in a concave lens, the image is formed, the image is formed virtual and direct. That is why. On the same side where the object is placed, that is why it's always negative, the focal
Okay,
length.
okay, Ishana. What about others? Anybody with any answer, different answer from these two girls? Sapnajit or Rohan, for the first time, those who are doing physics class, will you like to share your views? Yes, Sapnajit. Why for convex lens, focal length will always be positive? Positive mane upper side habo. And why for concave lens, it is always negative? Nobody? Okay. Just recall. Shantanu is not there? Shantanu?
Yes, ma'am.
तमे कहबनी कौन पाई पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ कन्वेक्स लेंस रे मन
Ma'am?
नहीं why focal length of convex lens is always positive? Don't know. Just a minute. जदि रे डायग्राम्स तम मान को मन थिबो, the two rays focus, two rays जब निया उतला rays convex lens रो focus ए side रे आसुथला कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
But whereas for concave lens, the focus may appear to pass through this focus to epite. Isn't it? If for convex lens focus is this side, then it will be positive. But for concave lens, the focus we are drawing back na, in draw kari ke pade pass kotlu focus re. So this is co-side form hochi, this side. एपटे केबे भी फॉर्म होबनी काहे डाइवर्जिंग एटा केबे भी पॉइंट रे मीट करबनी बट इन कनकेव लेंस backward form होची therefore focal length is always negative. Now it is clear? मन पड़ला समस्तंग ना नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Sapnajit and Rohan, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for convex lens, u. Now what is u?
Object distance.
Object
Object
distance.
distance.
So convex lens रे object टा हमें एपड़ ही रखू ना ए side रे, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be negative. This side माने negative.
Negative.
Okay. Focus or focal length is always positive. We have
Positive.
discussed. Okay. Now v. V is image distance.
Image distance.
Yeah, it is positive for real and inverted image. ଯେତେବେଳେ real ଆଉ inverted ହବ କୋପଟେ form ହବ ଏଇ side ରେ form ହବ ନା ଏଇ side ରେ form ହବ?
Right.
This side,
Positive side.
positive side. Therefore for real and inverted it is always positive, whereas for virtual and erect it
It is always negative.
it is
Always negative.
negative. The object height is तमे केबे भी ऑब्जेक्ट को एंती उल्टा रखनी रख की
No,
ऑब्जेक्ट
ma'am.
वाला वाला को एंती रखा हुए ऊपर पटे ए लाइन रो ऊपर सेति पे इट इज
Always
पॉजिटिव.
positive.
Okay, now what about the image height? It is for virtual and erect it is positive काहे virtual erect माने ऊपर but whereas real and inverted it is negative. समस्ते बुझी पाइलो ना मु आउ थरे कहबी
Yes,
बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. विल डू न्यूमेरिकल्स तीनटा न्यूमेरिकल्स लास्ट क्लास रे करथिबो आज तीनटा न्यूमेरिकल्स करबा. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Sapnajit or Rohan, you both are clear?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
convex lens, okay, fine. For concave lens, u is negative. Okay, f is negative, we have discussed, and v is always negative. सबुबेले मन रखिबो concave lens रे u f v is negative. Okay, you don't have to remember anything of concave lenses. Understood why negative? Because it concave lens is always virtual and erect. The positive habo hi nahi image distance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Take it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take out your copy and pen and we'll just discuss the lens formula and we'll do 3 numericals. Now what is the lens formula? It is
1 by f is equal to 1 by
yeah.
v minus 1 by u.
1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Here, v is your image distance, u is your object distance, and f is your focal length. ଯେତେବେଳେ न्यूमेरिकल्स करिवो देखि चाहि कि v आउ u रो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव कोन अछि मुंडरे रखि कि माइनस जगह रे माइनस प्लस जगह रे प्लस पकेले ही तमरो ठीक आंसर बाहरिबो नले भूल हबो. क्लियर? मैग्निफिकेशन रो कोन फार्मूला थिला लास्ट क्लास भी हम डिस्कस करथिलु. It is the ratio between the image height and object height. ऊपर image height रहइबो, height of the image, तळे रहइबो height of the object, which can also be v by u. V is image distance by object
distance.
Okay, remember everything clear? We'll go for numericals. For new students, numericals माने question पढ़िबो. What is given? Write it down. कौन given मोर पाखरे कौन data available अच्छी. Fine. What is asked? Suppose मते v पचाची, image distance पचाची, v is equal to question mark. Then you will put the formula. को formula रो मोर data एतिकी अच्छी मते एटा पाइबा को अच्छी. को formula पकेले I'll get the result. Apply the formula, get the answer. 3-step process. Clear? Clear, Sapnajit and Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Do 4, 5, 6. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
4, 5, 6 and send me your answer personally in chat. Okay? कितने टाइम दरकार? तीनटा क्वेश्चन को 5 minutes हे जीवो.
Yes, ma'am. 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
5 minutes 21 seconds.
It was so weak. So weak 21 second for what?
Exact value.
Okay, find the exact value of this numericals. That will help you in your exams. Fine. Today Subham is absent.
Yes, ma'am. He's not picking up the phone also.
Okay. First question got a hint de doji for new students. Read the question. An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter. Now, what is 40 centimeter? It is your
U.
U or
Object distance.
Yeah. From the convex lens, mark the word convex lens. Convex lens mone rakhile janibo concave or convex sign convention kon thila. F is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, now F will be minus or plus, that depends upon U. Find the U mane tamo upar depend kare hela, not U. Find the position of the image. Mane तमको कौन पचाची? Position of the image mane कौन पचाची? V. V पचाची. आउ and तमको कहबार अछि कि is your image virtual or real? You have to give me the reason why virtual or why real.
first try gala.
कौन हैला रोहन?
Ma'am, number 4 try gala.
Okay. 4 है गला 5 6 करो and send me your answer in.
मैम 4 कर सर के आंसर पठेबो या सब कंप्लीट कर के आंसर
कंप्लीट
पठेबो?
करो 4 लेखि की ता आंसर लेखिबो 5 लेखि की so that मते सुविधा हबो देखिबा पे. शुभम आसिला. शुभम, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Where were you?
Ma'am, I didn't know today's class.
Why?
Ma'am, I didn't saw the message. I saw the first message. I saw the first message and there was at 4 p.m. SST or science it was there.
Fine. Okay, do the numericals. Last time ame 3 3 numericals करथिलु, आज 4 5 6 and we'll discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
Two minutes for on your student manku 2 minutes, but for Sovic it is 2 minutes 21 seconds left. Number 5 done. Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
Ishana, Jasmine.
Ma'am, we will send you the answer in the chat box.
Yes. Start sending me the answers.
Ma'am, I'll send.
You need
Ma'am,
more time.
ma'am, no.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rohan.
ma'am, I'm not able to do number 5.
Okay, we'll discuss. Nothing to worry. Over.
मैम सेंड कर देली.
Okay. Over. We'll discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
काहाको extra time दरकार? Nobody?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is it visible to everyone? Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What was the fourth question? An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from the convex lens of f is equal to 30 centimeter. So what is given? U is minus 40
Minus 40
centimeter.
centimeter.
Yes. F for convex it is
30
always
centimeter.
it is always positive plus 30 centimeter. What is asked? V is equal to question mark. Lens formula pakebo. Lens formula kona? 1 by V
1 by f equal
minus
to 1 by v minus 1 by u.
is equal to 1 by f. Sabu pakel so 1 by V habo 1 by f plus 1 by u. It is plus 30 but minus 40. Okay. तो ऊपर कौन था इचिबो 4 minus 3. It will be 1 by 120. समस्ते 1 by 120 करिकी छाड़ी देइछो. बहुत सिली मिस्टेक जोटा की
मोर मैम भी 120 बाहर जी.
हाँ
मैम मोर भी 120 बाहर जी.
120 but 1 by 120 के जन लिखी चंती सेटा कोची.
No ma'am, I have
Yeah. जो मैंने 1 by 120 रखी छे, it is the value of 1 by f, isn't it? 1 by f रो value होची 1 by v रो value होची 1 by 120 मते कोन 1 by v पचारछि कि मते v पचारछि जस्ट द रेसिप्रोकल होछि 120 सेंटीमीटर क्लियर
Yes, ma'am.
and it will be real why
And because image distance is positive.
yes Jasmine got it
Yes, ma'am.
okay fine okay Rohan see question
ma'am.
is yes question is 10 centimeter tall image means the height of the image is given isn't it 10 centimeter is
Yes, ma'am.
produced by 20 centimeter tall object now 20 centimeter ta kona 20 centimeter is object distance
Object this.
isn't it it is very easy magnification पचारछि magnification रो formula होछि hi by
H.
ho that is height of the image by height of the object that is 10 by 20 or 1 by 2 जो मान लिखिचंती very good 0.5 जो मान लिखिचंती से माने भी ठीक don't just don't get confused
Ma'am, I thought that 20 is U, so I got confused.
ओके ओके खाली क्वेश्चन पढ़िबो कोन देइछि देइ जदी हाइट मैग्निफिकेशन पचछि माने मोर मैग्निफिकेशन रो फार्मूला कोन आइदर hi by ho
Or V by U.
v by u जदी ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस देइ थांता ताले मो किंतु मत देइछि ना टॉल टॉल देखो टॉल मार्क द वर्ड टॉल माने कोन इट इज
Lamba. Yes, ma'am. Height.
लंबा हाइट फाइन क्लियर so the এটা সব board
Ma'am?
questions yes
Ma'am, एठी image distance negative होगा ना?
কোটা
Ma'am, image height टा.
কোটা
Ma'am, previous question रे image height टा.
এটা
Yes, ma'am.
why
And because diminished form ହେଲା and diminished रे ଆମେ ଜାଣିଥିଲୁ କି ସେଟା real and inverted then negative.
no not that magnification एठी जो magnification कुआ जाउची नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव तमरो खाली लेंस फार्मूला रे पड़िबो आ एटा जेतु टॉल द हाइट it is not the nature you are not considering the nature you are considering the total माने गोटे वैल्यू कंसीडर करछो
ये minus लिखले wrong हबो.
माइनस देखले माइनस 0.5 सेंटीमीटर हबनी
Okay, ma'am.
ओके एमिति नुह कि कोन सबु थरे कोन डिमिनिश्ड सबु थरे आस्ति कोन सबु थरे मोर इमेज v मु तो केबे v इज इक्वल टू दैट इज इमेज डिस्टेंस पचाची v आउ u इमेज डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस उडा के हम लेंस फार्मूला रे पढिथिलु क्लियर ओके the distance between an object and lens is 30 centimeter. The image formed at a distance of 45 centimeter from the lens on the same side. Find the magnification produced. Again, here what is given? Just the opposite. V or U deichi, hela? U deichi kete? 30 centimeter. It is always minus 30. Kanki sabu bele samnar lens samnar hi roibo. जेतु on the same side of the lens माने the distance will be v will be minus 45 एटा बुझिला ना बुझेलानी समस्तंकर why minus 45
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
got it काहे lens रो front रे okay lens रो front रे formation होची एपट साइड रे lens रो एपट साइड रे okay if this is a lens upper side it is negative on the same side image form hochi mane it is negative तो मु जानची magnification is v by u just ताको divide कर देली मोरो 1.5 सेंटीमीटर बाहरी गला clear everyone numericals clear
Yes, ma'am.
Sagar did you get it Sagar Rohan Sapna
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
fine Pratyush did you share your answers with me no आ गोटे रहि जाइछि पावर ऑफ अ लेंस. Now power of a lens is reciprocal of focal length, and focal length should always be in meter. Okay, focal length in meter. Now P is equal to 1 by F. What is the SI unit of power? It is diopter. It is denoted by the letter D. Fine. If S जदि focal length ता मोर मीटर रे रहिबो, then the unit of the power will be diopter. So what is define one diopter? It is the power of the lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Obviously focal length neउची माने for convex lens power कोन हबो? It is always positive. Okay, for concave lens it is always negative. Next, prism. I was asking some of the students, but they didn't have a prism, but I also don't have the prism. So ko mane prism dekhicha? Real prism?
Ma'am, I have seen.
So
I have seen.
Ma'am, I have seen.
Okay, okay, very good. Ko mane dekhi na prism? Samas dekhicha ta mane. Okay. So if I say, okay, Sapnajit has not seen. Okay, fine. I show you the image. जो मैंने देखिच can you define what a prism is? Simple language. How does it look like?
Ma'am, it is a triangular. It is in 3D. It is a 3D triangular shaped substance.
Very good.
Ma'am, a 3D object with 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces.
Very nice. It तो ठीक अछि. So basically, this is a prism. Okay. Here, this is a prism. This is a 3D. माने ए सामना रे जोटा अछि पछरे भी सेमती थिबो.
Like a tent house.
Yeah, like a tent house, but it is of glass. So it is of 3 rectangular surfaces अछि. कि देखि पाउछ 3 rectangular surface. This one is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is 1, and the base. This one देखा जाउनी black ray, but here this one. Got it? And 2 triangular faces. Which one? ए जो सामना रे. एटा. This. एटा गोटे triangular shape, triangular face. आ गोटे पछ पटे. Suppose मु हाथ को करिबी and base, suppose like this. सामना जो सामना होची गोटे triangle, पछ. Fine, got it? This is the prism. बुझेला prism रा केमिति, how many rectangular and how many triangular surfaces are there? और मु आउ थरे बतेबी. Nobody is clear? Okay, fine. This is a prism which is made up of glass. Okay, it has 3 rectangular surfaces and 2 triangular surfaces. तम निज निज हाथ को you can do, you can try in your hand. Okay. जदि मोर वीडियो देखा जाउथबो, if I try in my hand a triangle, so this surface is rectangle, this surface is rectangle, and the base is rectangle. Okay, but the front is triangle and the back is also triangle. 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So prism is a 3D solid transparent object which can split white light into component colors. We'll just see what does component colors mean. It is a solid structure having 3 rectangular and 2 triangular surfaces. You are clear about it. Any 2 surfaces, any 2 faces are the refracting surfaces, and the third one is the base. So the 8 যদি refracting ହେଲା তাহলে 8টা base হবো. যদি এই দুইটাକୁ মল্টাই দেলি এই দুইটা যদি refracting ହେଲା তাহলে 8টা base হবো. गोटे ट्रायंगल मो हाथ देखा जाउथो जदी प्रिज्म रे ओके सब बेले लाइट एम्प्टी आसीबो केबे सामना रो आसी कि से पास करि परिबनी माने एठी स्ट्राइक कले से स्प्लिट हबो नहीं बिकॉज इट इज अ एठी से इट विल नॉट गो इनटू रिफ्रैक्शन जदि एपडे पॉसिबल इनटू रेक्टेंगुलर से थ्रू रे ही कोन हुए it will suffer refraction and we'll see afterwards what else it suffer. Okay, fine. Bujhela prism.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it has a very nice quality, or we can see what are you seeing in this GIF. Kon hochi actually?
Dispersion.
Hmm.
Light split है, white light split है.
White light का split हो जाउची. Fine. Split होची into its component color.
Its components.
If I say white light is splitting into colors, different colors, it will, okay, 8th class painka okay, but you have to mention into components color or major color. Why? I'm saying you, white color, white ray or light, jete kon hue split hue, say naiki millions of colors re split hue. But only these 7 colors jota ki are prominent or which we can see or which we can differentiate. Got it? So you have to mention the word component colors. Fine, students? So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
what is happening? A white gote ray beam of light आउची कि white हमको देखा जाउची किंतु से तले बाहर चीज से नहीं कि with a brand of colors formation करची. Clear? Now if somebody writes, ma'am, can I say it is scattering of white light? Can anyone say, suppose it is Sapnajit Koile, is splitting of white light. Can anybody say, ma'am, scattering of white light can also be correct? Is it correct? Scattering of white light. बहुत पिला मैंने scattering of light और splitting of light रे confused होंगी. Can anyone say if is it same or something different? जो माने English रे strong थी वो they can say. After this we have English class. Fine.
What?
In this case, both are same.
In this case, both are same. Okay. What is what is the difference between scattering of light and splitting of light?
Ma'am, scattering of light means it will be dispersed over a large area.
Okay.
And splitting of light means from a single ray of light, many rays are passed. Many rays are splitted.
Okay. Anybody else? Girls?
Ma'am,
Yes, Antanu?
ma'am, scattering like due to irregular reflection way, like that scattering of light.
Okay. Girls? Why girls are silent today?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Sovik?
Ma'am, scattering of light means when a single light is spread over a large area, that is called scattering of light, and when a single light is divided into
Very good.
different parts, it is called
Yes.
splitting of light.
Yes. Now, if I explain this with a very easy day-to-day life example, suppose ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ glass ନେଲି, ହଁ କାଚ ନେଲି, ତାକୁ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲି, ସେ floor ରେ ଯାଇକି scattered ହେଇଯିବ. Fine. Scattered माने बिखर जाना. यदि अगर हिंदी में बोलूँ तो बिखर जाता है, टूट के बिखर जाना. That is scattering. Now, what is splitting? As Sovik said, it is dividing. Divide हबा into particular and scattered haba is different. Now I hope you all get it. Don't use the word scattering when you are describing dispersion or splitting of light. It will be splitting of light. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We just see, after that we'll see a video. Now what happens? Suppose this is a incident ray. You can see. जब एटा तमरो 3 मार्क्स रो क्वेश्चन आसे बट अभी जेहेतु तमरो बहुत सारा कोर्स कटा हे जाई लाइट चैप्टर रे 5 मार्क्स रो भी रे डायग्राम आसी पारे पर्टिकुलरली दिस ग्लास प्रिज्म जदि तम पाखे कॉपी पेन पेंसिल अछि यू कैन ड्रॉ ओके प्रैक्टिस इट फ्रॉम नाउ ओनली सपोज मु तारा ट्रायंगल ए 3D तो करि परिबिनी ए 2D रो गोटे एमथि करछि प्रिज्म हां एटा गोटे बीम ऑफ लाइट आसी कि इट स्ट्राइक कला एरो मार्क दबा को भूलिबनी जदी एरो मार्क दबा को भूली गला किछि लाभ नै मार्क देबेनी आसी कि इट स्ट्राइक कला नाउ एटा दीटा now you see this is air and
Glass.
this is air very good and this is glass so jete se entry karibo it will suffer what it will suffer refraction clear so kuho jete bele eta denser air ta denser na rarer
Rarer.
rarer
eta hochi denser
Denser.
Denser.
so what will happen the ray जोटा कि एमिति सीधा पास करि थांता कोन हबो it will bend
Towards the normal.
very good towards the normal so जदि एटा मोर सरफेस surface रो पूरा perpendicular okay this is the normal रो towards bend हे गला आसी कि पुनी आ गोटे एटा होची surface 1 पुनी एटा surface 2 जेमति ग्लास स्लैब रे करथिलो हां surface 2 एठी कोन हबो it will again come out from denser to
Rarer.
rarer
this is the
Normal.
again and it will
normal
empty bhar
Away from the normal.
it will move
It go away from
away from the normal
away from the normal मन रहिला this so जोटा
Yes, ma'am.
incident हला that is incident ray आ भितरे एटा होची refracted ray and this one is your emergent ray.
Emergent ray.
Fine first here between the angle between the incident ray and the normal is I that is angle of incidence clear
Yes, ma'am.
your normal and refracted ray it is your angle of refraction fine the again normal and emergent ray भितरे जो angle सेटा होची your angle of emergence आउ गोटे जिंस भी एठी अछि कोन जदि मोर एठी ग्लास जदि मोर एठी ग्लास प्रिज्म न थांता हां तोर मोर इंसिडेंट रेटा कोन रेड डॉटेड रेड लाइन रे एमिति हे कि बाहर जाय थांता किंतु सेटा एमिति न बाहर की से केमिति बाहरला एमिति बाहरला गॉट इट इफ ए प्रिज्म टा जदि मु रखी न थांती मोर इंसिडेंट रेटा एमिति हे कि एपडे बाहर थांता सपोज एटा आउ किछि भी थांता सपोज ए मोर ग्लास प्रिज्म न थांता आउ किछि थांता तो से एपडे बाहर थांता बट बाहरला के कोठी केमिति बाहरला एपडे बाहरला तो ए जो
Yes, ma'am.
emergent ray आउ तमर इंसिडेंट रे भितरे जदि मु ताकू एमती emergent ray को बैकवर्ड मु प्रोड्यूस कली आ इंसिडेंट रे को मु नै कोन कली टिके आगु को प्रोड्यूस कली द एंगल बिटवीन द इंसिडेंट रे एंड emergent रे रे गोटे एंगल ताकू ए एंगल को कोन कहा जाय
Angle of deviation.
एंगल ऑफ
Deviation.
फाइन आई होप यू ऑल आर क्लियर ए सबु जाक लेखिबो एतिकी जण एतिकी पई तमरो 5 मार्क 3 मार्क्स थाए आई थिंक सो 3 to 5 मार्क्स तमरो आसे एटा क्लियर एवरीवन
Yes,
क्लियर
ma'am.
और आई जस्ट
Yes, ma'am.
once again
no I'm clear
No, I'm clear.
so when a light ray enters one refracting surface of the prism it bends towards the normal and when it emerges out of the other refracting surface it bends away from the normal this is clear the angle between the refracting surface is the angle of the prism or refracting angle eta mu कहया को भूल जाई very important this angle it ए दीटा एंगल भितरे होची ना देखो sorry
And then B and C.
wait एटा गोटे सरफेस ए दीटा सरफेस भितरे ही रिफ्रैक्शन होची ना कि तो
Yes, ma'am.
ए दीटा सरफेस रो जो प्रिज्म जो एंगल ता भितर रोची दैट इज योर एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म क्लियर किए कला बी एंड सी जदि एटा आउ एटा हे थांते जदि मको उल्टे देबी ताहले मोर बी हे थांता जदि एटा माने उल्टे थांती क्लियर किंतु जदि मु एपटे होची ए बी सी द angle between the এটা তোমার আসে এক্সাম রে হ্যাঁ angle of the prism মনে রাখিথিব the angle between the refracting surfaces is the angle of prism or refracting angle okay so edge रे refraction होची that is refracting edge এটা তুমি বুঝিলা the angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray is the angle of deviation okay angle of deviation increases with the increase of refractive index of the glass jodi material change kare refractive index बढ़ेबी refractive index बढ़ेले refraction बढ़िबो ना कमिबो if you
ma'am it will increase
obviously it will increase jodi मोर refraction बढ़िबो ता माने मोर एटा ए आहुरी deviate हे कि बाहरिबो कि नाही
yes ma'am
okay so you got it isn't it if the angle of deviation increase hobo ketebele when refractive index of the glass increases so now if the angle of deviation depends upon dash of the prism or it depends upon material of the prism kanki material jodi mu alga nebi moro refractive index bodolibo sei anusare angle of deviation bi bodolibo everybody clear
Yes, ma'am.
yes
Yes,
Angle of
ma'am.
deviation is directly proportional to means material.
refractive yes refractive index of the glass we'll see a video
Refraction of light through prism.
is it
And
visible
video is not played.
okay fine
When a light ray enters one refracting surface of the prism, it bends towards the normal, and when it emerges out of the other refracting surface, it bends away from the normal. This phenomenon can be observed in a lab environment using a triangular glass prism. It is a solid structure having 3 rectangular and 2 triangular surfaces. Any two rectangular faces are the refracting surfaces, and the third one is the base. The angle between the refracting surfaces is the angle of the prism or refracting angle. The edge formed by the two refracting surfaces is the refracting edge. When a light ray enters one refracting surface of the prism, it bends towards the normal, and when it emerges out of the other refracting surface, it bends away from the normal. The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray is the angle of deviation. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent 7 colors on passing through a glass prism is called dispersion of light. The band of 7 colors obtained on a screen on passing white light through a prism is called a spectrum. As all the colors in this spectrum are visible to our eye, it is rightly called a visible spectrum. Rainbow is the natural phenomenon in which dispersion takes place. The cause of dispersion is that sunlight consists of 7 constituents that have different refractive index with respect to a medium. The wavelength of each color is different, that causes a difference in velocity of the corresponding light when passing from one medium to another.
So I hope you all are clear up to this. Okay,
yes ma'am.
just have a small quiz.
I'm one doubt.
Yes,
Instead of passing white light, if we pass any other light, any other colorful light through glass prism, then what will happen?
listen, the white light has a tendency to split. Hela, jodi mo red light pakeibi, red light will come out as red light because white light is a mixture of different light. Fine. କାହିଁକି କି white light ଯଦି ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଯାକ color କୁ ବି ମିଶେଇବି we will ଯଦି ତମେ ମାନେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିଥିବ ନ୍ୟୁଟନ disk okay से नहीं कौन करते सब जगह गोटे डिस्क गोटे सीडी टाइप रो सब जगह कलर ताकू जो से माने से बुलांती जोरे it comes out to be white. That means white is a mixture of different color. जोटा कि कौन हम स्प्लिट हो पारिबो बट रेड color is independent माने red is independent it is not a mixture of any color and white and सेटा होची लाइट व्हाइट लाइट और जो लाइट रो सेटा होची तारो क्वालिटी की व्हाइट लाइट ओनली व्हिच कैन स्प्लिट इनटू डिफरेंट लाइट नॉट एनी अदर लाइट जो भी लाइट व्हाइट लाइट होई थाउ कि सनलाइट होई थाउ जोटा कि स्प्लिट होई पारिबो व्हेन पासिंग थ्रू प्रिज्म इज ऑटोमेटिकली नोन एज व्हाइट लाइट गॉट इट
मैम
And
ब्लैक
that means,
मैम
ma'am,
ब्लैक कलर कहीं फॉर्म हुएनी
हां कौन हैला
मैम ब्लैक कलर कहीं फॉर्म हुएनी
ब्लैक कलर कौन पे फॉर्म हुएनी काहे कि हमकु जोटा आखी को देखा जिवो सेटा ही आमे देखू माने से हमर आखी माने हमर आई रो जो कलरटा हम आई को आसु दैट डजंट मीन कि नेचुरली द रेड कलर गोटे गोटे बॉडी रु सबु जको कलर जो रिफ्लेक्ट हुए सेटा होची व्हाइट नेचुरली हम आखी को देखा जाए ह्यूमन आई को जदि गोटे बॉडी सबु जको लाइट को ऑब्जर्व करूची जदि मु गोटे ब्लैक ड्रेस पिनची ता माने मोर ए कलरटा सबु जको ऑब्जर्व करूची ता माने मो आखी को सेटा ब्लैक देखा जाउची अंडरस्टूड this is the reality of your eye and the nature जोटा
Yes,
तुम जोटा नेचुरली जोटा तुम व्हाइट देखुचो ता माने होची दैट बॉडी इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग एवरी कलर देयरफॉर इट इज माने तुम ताकू व्हाइट देखुचो but
mixture
if a
of every
body
color that body is
yeah
mixture of every color
yeah and if a body you are visualizing a body as black that means it is observing every light से observe करची बोले तुमको सेटा black देखा जाउची fine okay
yes ma'am.
small quiz jaldi jaldi फटाफट send me the answers huh? Koila, first slide.
Yes, ma'am.
empty KT yes ma'am complete
Sagar, Rohan, everyone, girls, done first slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one girl is replying. What about others? Done. Just the answers, okay? Done. Send me the answer. Over.
मैम टिके स्लाइड देखिए। ये सब कंप्लीट।
ओके कि भी तो आंसर्स पठे नांती
Ma'am, I sent you.
Ma'am, can you again show the slide?
this one
The second one.
this one
Yes,
is this
this one.
मैम दे दे।
Soila Jasmine
Yes, ma'am.
okay I just check Sapnajit has given only one answer. Sapnajit, what happened? Fine, we'll discuss. समस्ते ठीक करचंदी maximum.
Ma'am, I have not sent. I'll send.
When?
Ma'am, now only sending. I'm disconnected, so joining problem.
Done, Subham?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm writing the answers.
Okay. 1 minute, 60 seconds. एते समय wait करो पड़ियो.
Okay, ma'am. 30 seconds.
You take 21 seconds. As so we.
Okay. Sent.
Third number आसला नहीं. Subham, angle of emergency कौन?
Sorry, emergency it will be.
Angle of emergency.
Emergency.
Okay. So angle of deviation is समस्ते ठीक करचो. Angle between the incident ray and the emergent
Prism.
ray, isn't it? Now here refractive index दे दीजिए 1.1, 1.3, 1.5 or 1.7. The deviation कोठी सबुठु कम हबो. Where the deviation is least, light deviates the least. So how the deviation depends upon the refractive index? It is What it
The
is?
more the refractive index, more is the deviation.
Yeah,
Directly proportional.
Directly proportional.
proportional. So it's ସବୁଠୁ କମ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି 1.1
1.1.
1 ରେ ହିଁ
1.1.
yeah, everybody also did it correct. Now, eta, Subham, you left this question, no?
No, ma'am. I have given that one.
Oh, third one you left. Fine. Which is the angle between the inclined sides of the prism? It is the
Angle of prism.
angle of the prism. Okay. Prism is usually in the shape of a triangle. Someone said ठीक करछो एटा.
Angle A.
The angle between the incident ray and emergent ray is what?
Angle of
Angle of
deviation.
deviation.
Angle of deviation. Subham wrote it is angle of emergency.
Ma'am, I thought, sorry.
Angle of emergency is also between the normal and the emergent ray, isn't it, Subham?
Yes, ma'am.
And Subham, last one also, Subham. Subham, you said
Ma'am, please repeat the second one.
this one. Yes.
Second one of the last previous slide.
Okay. Yeah.
Second one.
I will say you again.
Second one.
Okay. Do you want?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, there are materials having this refractive index 1.1, 1.3, 1.7, and 1.5 and 1.7. Okay. Now the question is, light deviates the least. सबुठु कम deviate को refractive index रे हबो. आमे discuss करथिलु कि more the refractive index, more is the deviation, isn't it? That means least the refractive index, least will be the deviation. So it is least कोटा refractive index सबुठु less कोठी अछि 1.1.
0.1.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The refractive index of a material increases, the angle of deviation
Increases.
As the refractive index increases.
Right, Subham wrote reduces.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Increases.
Wrote reduces.
Ma'am, these all questions are connected with previous PMQ.
Okay, fine. So next class we'll just this person हमें पढ़ेगा, है ना? Any doubt? Anyone? Just text me. Over to ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.